Hi everyone, in front of me I've got KODAK K12 and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Tablet. Then scroll down and go to System Update, and here we've got three dots icon in the right upper corner, so let's tap on it. Then let's tap on Settings, and here we've got three different options which are connected with the automatic update, etc. So here you can automatically check for update, and it is set on 1 day. You can set on 3 days or weekly. It's completely up to you. I will leave 1 day. Here, I highly recommend to activate this option, updates via Wi-Fi only, and here allow automatic download over Wi-Fi network, and this is the option on which we should focus, thanks to which your device will automatically download the packages, and then all you will have to do is to simply confirm that you would like to install them. So this is how to activate the automatic software update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.